Hello friends, make a circle or various kind of circles which will turn into the petals of a flower like this. After making it, you can simply make the another part of this beautiful art. After making it with the black marker, simply make some petals along too on this flower of yours and don't forget to color it. Make these lines on a circular sheet, and after taking the imprints or the fingerprints, you have to simply paste them over the lines. Use various different colors for different and majestic look. As you can see how the fingerprints has been turned into a very mesmerizing art along with the butterfly. On a circular sheet, you have to make these thin strips. After making these branches, take this net and simply make imprints by taking the color of this shade. And don't forget to place some birds along with your trees. Make these imprints on a circular sheet and don't forget to use various colors for various effects. As you can see how perfectly the dress of the girl has been made, and now we are going to draw her upper body. See how beautiful she looks. Isn't she really beautiful? Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.